Hi everyone, welcome to Nursery and Reception Singing Assembly. First, I want you all to stand up and we're going to get a bit warmed up with the help of my friends. This is Grumpy Owl. Grumpy Owl hates dancing. He doesn't like to see anybody dance. So if you see Grumpy Owl, you've got to freeze and pretend you were never dancing. However, his friend, Cheerful Jay, he loves to dance. He likes to move his wings, he likes to move his feet, he likes to move his whole body. So, when we listen to the music now, when you see Jay, you're going to dance around. But if Grumpy Owl comes up, you've got to freeze as soon as you can. Everybody, follow Jay when you hear the music. Well done everybody. I'm going to sit back down and you can do this with your hand. In here is a buzzy fly. It goes bzzz. And when it gets too annoying for us, we have to go splat. Yuck. Okay, let's try it again. Get your buzzy fly. Go bzzz. Splat! Yuck! Okay, let's try one more time. I've got a feeling this buzzy fly might be very naughty. Let's see. It's gone into my ear. He's buzzing in my head. And out of my nose. And on my t-shirt. Splat! Yuck! I think we need to get that horrible taste out of our mouth, don't we? So put your hand into your imaginary pocket and bring out your imaginary piece of bubblegum. Mine's got a picture of a rainbow on it today. You can think about what picture yours would have on it. I'm going to unwrap it. Oh. Okay, ready to blow a bubble. Oh no, it's got too big. It's gonna go pop. There's bubblegum in my hair. There's bubblegum in my shoes. There's bubblegum in my nose. Oh, let's put it all together and splat it in our hands. Splat! Uh-oh. Now our hands are stuck together. There's only one song that can unstick them. the Sticky Bubblegum song. You ready, everybody? Off we go. Sticky, 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 sticky bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sticky, 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 sticky bubblegum. Stick it to your knees. Sticky, 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 sticky bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sticky, 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 sticky bubblegum. Stick it to your nose. Sticky, 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 sticky bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sticky, 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 sticky bubblegum. Stick it to your ears. Sticky, 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 sticky bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sticky, 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 sticky bubblegum. Finally, we've got it unstuck. We're all going to throw it into the bin. I don't know where your bin is. It might be all the way in the other room, so you're going to have to be a very good shot. Ready? Throw it in the bin. Nice job, everybody. Okay, I'd like to learn a bit of a new song now. It's called Apples and Bananas. Okay, it goes like this. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. That's it. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. That's it. You ready to join in with me this time? Okay, ready? Here we go. Sit up straight. Off we go. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. 2, 3, 4. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. 2. And one more time. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. 2, 3, 4. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. Very good. Okay, now you know that version. I want to change all of those vowel sounds, like the ah sounds, into a different sound. I think we're going to change it to an O sound. So instead of apples and bananas, we've got opals and bononos. Instead of I like to eat, we've got O like to oat. Are you ready? Let's see if you can do the O version with me. Off we go. I like to oat, 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 opals and bononos. 2, 3, 4. I like to oat, 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 opals and bononos. Ready? One more time. I like to oat, 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 opals and bononos. Very good. I like to oat, 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 opals and bononos. Very good. I think we will leave it at that for this week, but next week we'll come back and put some different sounds into it. Okay, everybody, for the next things we're going to do, we need to get up on our feet again and make sure we can move all the parts of our body. So we're going to play the game Rubber Chicken. Some of you have played it with me before, some of you haven't. So we need to get one hand up in the air and shake it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then your other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then one of your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure there's nothing nearby you that you're going to kick and hurt your toes. Then we do them all again, but shaking them 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your legs as well. And then we do them 2 times. And then 1 time. And after we've done each one 1 time, when I say rubber chicken, you've got to shake your whole body like you are a chicken that is made out of rubber, like this. Okay, ready? From the top. Let's start with 8. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rubber chicken! Well done. If you kept up with the whole rubber chicken all the way through, great job. Okay, this next little rhyme, I'd like you to say the words back to me. Okay, so my turn looks like this. Your turn looks like this. Up like a rocket. Down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket. Down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Very good. Okay, now there's some actions to go with those words. I'm going to need to turn my camera around to give myself a bit more room. Hold on 1 second. Okay, here we go. So first of all, we're going to crouch down a little bit to start off. And we're going to go up like a rocket. Then down like the rain. Then we're going to go arms to the sides like our choo-choo train. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket. Down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Okay, let's put it all together, but watch out. I might change the voice that I'm doing as I go along, and I want to see if you can do the same voice as me. So ready, crouch down low, and off we go. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Very good, everybody. Well done. See if you can remember Up Like a Rocket for next time. Okay, one more thing. This is something that I'm going to leave you to practice before next time I see you. It's a little body percussion beat. And body percussion means you use parts of your body like an instrument. Okay? The first part you need is one of your feet. And that's going to make a sound like this. So it's going to go foot. Or should we say stomp? I think that's better, isn't it? Let's say stomp. Then the next sound is going to be a clap. Stomp, clap. Let's try that again. Stomp, clap. One more time. Stomp, clap. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to add a sound called phenomena. And if you've watched something called The Muppets, then you might have seen this song, Phenomena, and this sound is in it, okay? And we're going to make that sound on our tummies like this, Phenomena, okay? So we've got stomp, clap, Phenomena. Let's see if we can do that together. Ready? It goes, off we go. Stomp, clap, Phenomena. Stomp, clap, Phenomena. Stomp, clap, Phenomena. Stomp, phenomena. Very good. If you've done that, there's only one more thing left to do. After phenomena, we need another clap at the end. So all together, the rhythm goes stomp, clap, phenomena, clap. Stomp, clap, phenomena. Now join in. Stomp, clap, phenomena, clap. Stomp, clap, phenomena, clap. Stomp, clap, phenomena. stomp, clap, mana, mana, clap. Very good. I want you to have a practice of that mana, mana rhythm for next time when I see you. But for now, that is all. Well done, everyone. Thank you for being absolutely amazing at our singing assembly today, and I'll see you next time.